Alright, y'all. I'm checking out this new device I have, and I ordered it off TikTok. It is a... Oh, see, I'm not moving the camera. It's moving with me. Let me... Yeah! It is a built-in rechargeable lithium battery it has, and it is a... What do they call it? For your hands when shooting vlogs or live broadcasts. It don't actually have a name. What the hell? Wait a minute. Oh, is it following me? Let me walk over here. Oh, yeah. You see that? Let's see how far I can go. Oh, Oliver, well, shut your mouth up. Okay. I gotta set it up high though. It's low. It's got Chinese writing, so yeah, okay. Auto tracking phone. 360 degrees. Let me bend down a little bit. Oh. Yeah, I gotta set it up high. It's low. Oh, if I step back. Do. Let me go this way. Woo la la. Hi. Yeah. Let me go all the way around. There you are. Oh, I love it.